This is amazing. Now we have a Wikipedia chatbot which can go through Wikipedia articles and give us answers based on that. We will be ingesting Wikipedia articles, then use Haystack and Zephyr large language model to process the output. That's exactly what we're going to see today. Let's get started. Hi everyone, I'm really excited to show you about Wikipedia chatbot, which can go through Wikipedia articles, use Zephyr large language model, and give us answers for our questions. I'm going to take you through step by step on how to do this. But before that, I regularly create videos in regards to artificial intelligence on my YouTube channel, so do subscribe, click the bell icon to stay tuned. Make sure you click the like button so that it can help others like you. So firstly, we are going to get articles from Wikipedia, then index those articles, then provide context to the Zephyr large language model, and then process the output. Now we are going to code this. This is my spec. First, we are going to pip install Wikipedia Haystack AI, transformers, accelerate, bits and bytes, sentence transformers, and rich, and then click enter. Once that is installed, create app.py file and then open it. First import pprint for pretty printing, then import torch, rich, random, Wikipedia to import Wikipedia articles, then document from Haystack, Hugging Face local generator. That's where you load your Zephyr model, then prompt builder, in-memory embedding retriever. Now we are going to retrieve Wikipedia pages. So as a first step, we are retrieving Wikipedia pages, then indexing the data, then we are creating the RAG pipeline. First, we are retrieving list of favorite artists. So these are the pages which we are going to search in Wikipedia and then ask questions based on that. Next, create an empty array, and then we are going to loop through each and every artist and get the Wikipedia page using the title. And finally, we are adding everything to row docs list. Now we have completed the process of retrieving all the Wikipedia articles listed here and then converting that to document format of Haystack. Now the next step is indexing pipeline. So this process will index the retrieved Wikipedia articles. From Haystack import pipeline, then in-memory data store, document cleaner, document splitter, sentence transformers text embedder, and sentence transformer document embedder. Next, document writer, and then duplicate policy. So using in-memory document store, we are storing the document in the memory. The document cleaner and splitter will clean and split the documents. The sentence transformer will transform the documents into embeddings. Embeddings are nothing but numbers which represent words from the document. Next, document writer to write the documents, and then duplicate policy. Now we are initializing the in-memory document store, and we'll be using cosine similarity search. Now we are initializing the pipeline. In the indexing process, we are cleaning the document first using cleaner, then splitting the document using splitter. Next, embedding using document embedder. Next, writing the document to the data store using document writer. Once we have added the components, now we are going to connect those components. First, we are cleaning the document and then passing that to the splitter to split the documents. Next, the splitter output is sent to the document embedder to embed those documents. Next, from the document embedded output, it is sent to the writer to save it in the in-memory data store. Now we are going to save the indexing pipeline as an image for us to understand visually. Then we are going to run the indexing pipeline using .run. So as an input, we are providing the row docs which we have collected earlier. So these are all the Wikipedia articles which we have collected. Now let's run this code. In your terminal, python app.py and then click enter. Now it's processing those Wikipedia articles and converting that to embeddings and storing in the in-memory data store. So that is the indexing pipeline. So indexing.draw will automatically create a file called indexing.png. So here is the indexing.png file. Here you can understand visually on what happened. So the documents are ingested, cleaned, then using splitter it got split, then using embedder it's converted to embeddings, and finally it is saved using the writer function. Now we have completed the first step of getting the Wikipedia data and then indexing the data. Now we are going to do the RAG process of using Zephyr model and then processing the output. Creating RAG pipeline now, then importing Zephyr model using Hugging Face local generator. Then providing other attributes such as device map. We are going to use 4-bit quantization, but you can remove quantization if you want to be much more accurate on your results. To save my time, I'm using 4-bit quantization. Next, generator.warmup. This will automatically start downloading the required model for us to perform task. Next, defining the prompt templates. In that, we are asking the large language model to use the list of articles from the context and then give us the answer based on the context. Next, we are initiating that prompt using prompt builder and providing the prompt template. Next, we are initiating the RAG pipeline. Now we are going to add components such as text embedder, and we are providing the model name to use to embed and the device. Next, we are going to provide retriever. This is where it retrieves from the data store. That is the in-memory data store where our embeddings got stored. Next, adding prompt builder. Next, adding the generator, that is the large language model, Zephyr. Now we're going to connect these components. First, we are passing the text embedder output to the retriever. Next, the retrieved documents are sent to the prompt builder. Next, the prompt builder is sent to the large language model for further processing. Now let's draw the RAG pipeline for us to visually see how it works. And the final step, we are going to query our index data. Define get generative answer function. This will use the rag.run function to start the pipeline. As an input, we are providing the query, that's the question, to the text embedder and the prompt builder. And finally, we are receiving the answer and printing out the answer. Now, question we are going to ask is, what are some Jennifer Lopez most successful singles based on the context? So as a quick summary, we first retrieved Wikipedia pages and saved it in the list. Next, we indexed all those documents and saved that in the in-memory data store as embeddings. And thirdly, we created a RAG pipeline to query those embeddings and then send to Zephyr model to give us the output. Now we are going to ask this question and then run the code. In your terminal, python app.py and then click enter. And it's currently batching those, that is converting those Wikipedia articles into embeddings. Now it's loading the Zephyr model. I got an error here. Unexpected keyword argument prompt template in line number 79. So it seems like I wrongly mentioned prompt template. I need to mention as template rather than prompt template and pass the prompt template here. Now I'm going to run this code, python app.py and click enter. Now we got the answer here. Jennifer Lopez most successful singles on the US Billboard Hot 100 include, and then it gives the list. And also it provides the source where it took those articles, which you can see here. I'm really excited about this. You can extend this further into adding whatever Wikipedia articles you want to analyze. Or you can even add your own custom data in this area. So this code can be easily changed based on your needs. That's it, as simple as that. I'm going to create more videos similar to this, so stay tuned. I hope you like this video. Do like, share and subscribe, and thanks for watching.